Hi, this is Dr. John Dong here, and then today my topic is on anxiety. So this is very common, and it happened to my immediate family. Two of my immediate family has this issue, anxieties. So what are some of the symptoms that is causing it? The anxieties. So fatigue, like you feel tired and you feel not very motivated in doing things. And sometimes it's restlessness, okay? So, and then irritable, irritations. Something is bothering you. It's in the brain, but you don't know exactly where it is. Something is not feeling not right. And it happens mostly in ladies, okay? So, and racing thoughts and unwanted thoughts. You think negative. You just don't like the negative. You always think on the bad side, okay? And then racing thought, the brain is just cannot shut off, especially at night. At nighttime, you just keep thinking, and you have a hard, like sometimes you have a hard time sleeping, or you fall asleep and then you wake up middle of the night and you have those thoughts again. It happens. And then worry, you feel worry, anxiety sometimes, and there's fear. All of a sudden, you like some ladies are like all of a sudden they cry, very emotional, and sleep issue, cannot fall asleep because of the brains they keep going on, and or cannot sleep, or they just wake up in the middle of the night and they're wide open and their thoughts and the negative thoughts comes in. Poor concentrations. Okay, of course, it leads into tiredness if you cannot sleep. Tightness in the neck and pressure. There's like a wing in the neck. There's a lot of pressure in the neck. How do I describe it? Because my immediate family do have that issue, so I understand the tightness. So what they do is that they always feel tight. The pressure, there's tightness, the neck pressure. No matter like what type of treatments, chiropractic treatments, stretching all they want, and they tight back again. They get the chiropractic treatments, physiotherapy treatments, acupuncture treatments, and taking the herbs, it gets tight back and tight again. So no matter how many treatments, it still get tight back again. Okay, and see many doctors, acupuncturists, family doctors, and giving like some sleep medication, anxiety medications, and the symptom is improving a little bit or it's not improving at all. So those are some of the symptoms of the social anxiety syndromes, okay? That's symptoms. So this pathway that you take to get yourself better, so there's no right or wrong answers. So some people went to see their doctors and anxiety medications, and then also other sleeping medication, but the symptoms, the previous symptom is still there. And it's very irritating because it's involving the tiredness, the brain issue. So if you've seen doctors already and you still are not getting better, you still have these symptoms, you might want to get another approach and see how can you heal from within. The way that you fix the chronic problem, like I said in many videos, is you have to fix the body from within. But the question is how? Thomas Edison. I call myself, I am Thomas Edison's doctors. What did he say? The doctors of the future will give no medicine but care in the patient's human frames, diet, and the cause and the prevention of disease. That's what he predict the future of the doctors. So I call this technique is the Edison-Dwong technique, the 3-step techniques to fix any chronic pain that you have. So the first is to maintain the human frame, this posture. Okay, the posture, bring more circulation, vitals, energy is on the structures. The structure is very important. Also the diet, the nutrients that you put in your body is important. But now we have the latest technology. That's why I make the video previously, it's my dream come true. What's that? That's a genetic testing to find out the problem from within. Where is your problem? Where is your genetic issue that lead into the symptoms that you have? So genetic testing will identify the weaknesses in your genes that's causing you to feel the way that you felt, okay? And then the third step to Edison-Dwong techniques is education and the wisdom, okay, about the cause and prevention of disease. That's why I have the curriculum to educate my patients on the cause and the prevention of disease. So I make a video about my dream come true. So what it does is that involved in the technology. The Western is very good in technologies that you can use to find out what's wrong with the problem inside. So the technologies from the Western, it comes true is genetic testing. I can do the genetic testing and see the weakness in the patients, where, in which category, so that I can supporting the patients with the right nutrition. So this is so powerful. And the Eastern is to supporting the body, so the body can heal from within with herbs, with supplements. Okay, so now with right food, so with right diet, so now the body can heal from within. So the technology from the West and the Eastern healing techniques to heal the body from within. So that's why I can call Thomas Edison's doctors. So the genetic testing will allow me to see what's wrong with the patient's health from using the genes. Anxiety, so this is the symptoms that we are having through genetic testing. What are we seeing in the genetic testing? So this category identified. So the brain, the tightness, the raising of the brain, what are we looking for? Looking for genetics tests, in particular what? The neurotransmitters are what we're looking at. So if there's any genes that will cause some of the symptoms that you're having, the raising of the brain cannot stop the negativities. So those are genes that we can look into to find out the cause of the problem. So we look for information in these genes. Can your genes be turned on or turned off? So we look for those information. If you have any information in your system, is it affecting the brain? Of course. So we need to look for like methylation. Mitochondria is for the energy. Methylation is very important for the immune system, the nervous system. So there's two most important things: immune system and nervous system, and the energy sources, the mitochondria. So those are the things that we test from the genes to identify your body's weaknesses. So once we know that body weaknesses, we can put in the right diet in the right amount for the right indication at the right time for the patient, so they can heal from within. So that's what we do. And if you have some of those symptoms or most of the symptoms, and you want to fix it naturally, this is the number that you call, 925-999-8806. And you can set up a consultation, but before the consultation, we will educate you what are the steps that you need to take before you can come and see us. Thank you.